Yes, Stormy. Hi, Stormy. Hi. Hi, Luna. Hi, Luna. Jersey. Can I have my cord? Esme? Ezzy? Yes, I see. Esme? We got a lot going on here. And Lil. Great hair. Great. Luna? Okay. And eating my fingers. On to babies. Hi, Kate. Hi, Chloe. Hi, Chanel. Hi, Louie. Hi, Wills. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. She's hugging her babies. Y'all are nosy. Get your head out of there. Yes, Jersey. I know. So this is our typical life. Now taking application for human friends, and I have a best friend, but I could use a human friend. Maybe go for a walk. I don't know. Do human stuff, please. Must love dogs. Must love dogs.